Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 15C, page number 223. So, before solving this exercise, first we should know the rule of transpositions. A term may be shifted from one side of the equation to the other side, but its sign will change. Already you know about this. Means if you will if you will shift, you will shift the like 5x plus 6 equals to 41. So here 6 is shifted to the, this side is called left hand side and this side is called right hand side. So left hand side to the right hand side, its sign will change. Here it was earlier, it was plus sign. Now you can check here, it is now minus sign. So this is the actually already I taught about this. When it's a sign will means it will be shift. If it is a plus, it will come here, so its sign will be minus. Suppose here it is minus, when it will come this side it will be plus. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, if there is the multiplication sign, when it will come to the this side it will be divide sign. When it is in the divide, this side will come, it will be multiplied sign. Okay, so similarly, if it is this side is the divide sign, it will come to the this side, it will be multiplication sign. Okay, so this is about when you shift the side from one side to another, its a sign will be changed. Okay, so based on this, some questions are there, like a mixed equation will be there, and then we have to solve. So these are the some solved examples are there. Okay, so now this is the, suppose we have solved this equation here, x value we got. Now we can verify means the part of the left hand side and the part of the right hand side. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. So is it both are equal or not? So this is the left hand side and right hand side. So value of the left hand side, first we have to find, means 5x minus 13, 5x minus 13. So whatever the value is here, put the value here of the x. Okay, see. Okay, then after you will get the value of full term. Okay, then after whatever the what is the equation in the right side, 8x plus 2, put the value of x there, then find the value of this. So both side you can see minus 38 and 38. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So it is verified, means our solution is correct. Okay, so likewise you can do. Now here we will be going to solve, we will solve exercise 15C. So type A, first solve the following equation and verify your answer. We have to verify our answer also. Okay, so is it correct or wrong? So here first question, number A, first number number 1, 4x plus 4 equals to 28. Okay, so first question, 4x plus 4 equals to 28. Okay, now first of all you can write 4x, and we can change the this same type of same terms, constant we can move another side. So 28, and here is the plus, so it will come here, so it will be minus. So 4x equals to 28 minus 4, it will be 24. Okay, now you can check that here is again 4 into x, 4x means 4 into x. Okay, so if you find the x, it is with the multiplication sign with the x, so it will when it will come this side, it will be here it is in the multiplication sign, and this will come to the this side, it will be in the it will be divided. Okay, now so 24 divided by 4, so now 24 divided by 4, it will be 6. Okay, so what is the value of x we got? 6. The value of x is 6. Now we will check it, we will verify. So now next step for the verification. Okay, so for the verification, so first of all we find the left hand side. So left hand side, so in the left hand side you can check in this equation, this is in the left hand side, 4x plus 4. Okay, so right here left hand side 4x plus 4. Okay, so 4x means 4 into x. So what is the value of x we got? 6. Here we got the value of x is 6. So here you can write 4 into 6 plus 4. Now this 4 into 6 will be multiplied, and this 4 will be added. So first of all we multiply 4 into 6, so it will be 24 plus 4. So here is the 28. So we got in the left hand side 28. Okay, so same we will do for the right hand side also. Okay, so here I will do for the right hand side. So in the right hand side, what is the value? It is already only 28, so there is the 28. So now you can check left hand side 28, right hand side 28. So here you can write LHS, left hand side equals to RHS. Okay, left hand side equals to right hand side. So your it is verified. Got it? So likewise you can verify. First find the value of x, then put the value of x in the equation in the both side, either right side and the left side. Okay, right hand side and the left hand side, then after check that both side is equal or not. So likewise you can do. Okay, now next question. Okay, next I will solve number 6. 47 equals to 7m plus 5. Okay, let's do this one. Number 6. 4x, sorry, 4, it is 47 equals to 7m plus 5. Okay, now first of all we will change the side. So here is the 47, so it's better this 5 I will move to the left hand side. So here it will come, it will be in the minus 7m. So 47 minus 5, it will be 42. Okay, now here 7m, so I can change it, I can write like this, 7m equals to 42. Okay, now this m will equals to 7 with the m in the with the multiplication, it is with the multiplication sign. So this side will come, so it will be in the division, it will be divide. So it's you will divide 42 by 7, so you will get 6. So the value of m is 6. Okay, now we will verify, we have to verify. Okay, so we will verify. So first of all left hand side, so LHS side you can see 47 only, so write only 47. Okay, now in the right hand side you can check what is the value of the right hand side. Right hand side it is given 7m plus 5. Okay, now put the value of m. So what is the value of m we got now? 6. Okay, so right here 6. Okay, plus 5. So 7 into 5, 6, 42 plus 5, so it is 47. So now you can check left hand side and right hand side, both side values same. So you can write LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so this is your solution. Okay, understood how we have solved? First find the value of m, then have to put in the right side and the left side and check that it is equal or not. Okay, this is the verification. Now next question number 8. X by 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, let's do this one. Question number 8. X by 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay, so first of all this is, we can move to the another side. Okay, this is constant term, so 3 and that side will go plus, it will be in the plus. Okay, now x by 5, 3 plus 2 will be 5. Now can I write 5 by 1 it? Okay, now we can do the cross multiplication. So x into 1 x into 1 it will be x, and this 5 into 5 25. So what is the value of, here what we have done, cross multiplication. Okay, so x will multiply to 1, so x, and 5 into 5 25, and y here actually 5, so 5 by 1 is the 5. Now x value is 25. Now you can verify it left hand side and for the right hand side. Okay, so in the left hand side what is the value? X by 5 minus 2. In the right hand side only 3. Okay, so this side is no need to do anything, so only left hand side we will do. So x, what is the value of x we got now? 25. So we can write here 25 by 5 minus 2. Okay, so 25 by 5, so you can divide it how many times? 5 times only. So 5 minus 2, so 5 minus 2 is the 3. So check that this right hand side and left hand side equal, so you can write left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so this is the your solution. Got it? Now next, question number 12. Here all are same type of questions. Okay, you can do here like this 11 and 12 same, so I'm going to solve 12. So 7 in the bracket x minus 3 equals to 21. So let's do this. Number 12 is that 7 x minus 3 equals to 21. So here what you will do, in the bracket already you have studied, in the bracket if before any number is there, how you can multiply, it will multiply to x also and with the 3 also. So 7 into x, first 7x, there is a minus sign, so write minus. 7 into 3, 21 equals to 21. Okay, now you can change the, you can shift the same type of term. So this 21 you will go to the that side, so 21 plus that side will go, so minus will become plus, so 21 plus 21. So 7x equals to 21 plus 21, 42. So you can find the x. So this 42 and this 7 will go that side, so it will be divided. So 42 divided by 7 will be 6. So the value of x is 6. Okay, now you can check it. So again we will check for that. So first of all, left hand side, so what is the value in given? So that is x minus 3. So 7, what is the value of x? 6 minus 3. Okay, so inside the bracket we will do the first 6 minus 3, 3. So 7 minus 7 into 3, 21. Because with this bracket and 7 there is a relation of multiplication. Now do in the right side. So right hand side already only 21 is there, so both are equal. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So our solution is correct. Okay, now question number 14. 5 minus 3x 5 minus 3 minus x equals to minus 6. Okay, let's do question number 14. So question number 14, 5 minus 3 minus x, that is equals to minus 6. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, you know that before, if you remove the bracket, whatever the sign, it will multiply with here and also here. Or you know that when you will remove the bracket, if there is the minus sign, what if before the bracket there is a minus sign, if you remove the bracket, then all the signs of inside the brackets, it will be changed. Already you know. So here you will remove the bracket, so here is the plus, so it will be minus, and here is the minus, so it will be plus, equals to minus 6. Okay, now same type of point here we can subtract 5 minus 3, that is 2, 2 plus x equals to minus 6. Now next you can write simply x, this 2 will move that side, shift that, so that will be minus 2. So x equals to 6 minus 2, that is minus 8. The value of x is minus 8. Okay, now you can put in the, you can check that in the left hand side it is 5 minus 3 minus x. Okay, so you can write, you can place the value for that. So 3, what is the value of x? X value is minus 8. Okay, now first of all this 3, this minus minus become plus, so here will be plus 8. Okay, now next 5 minus 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, now 5 minus 11, that will be minus 6, because here is the plus, so plus minus minus, so 5 minus 11 minus 5, 6, and bigger number is 11, so there is the minus sign, so minus 6. Okay, check that in the right side, in the right hand side what is the value? So right hand side only it is minus 6, so both are equal, right hand side and left hand side. Okay, so our solution is correct. Got it? Left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Now next question, here you can do this all 15. Okay, here I am going to solve number 17. 4x minus 11 equals to 7x minus 20. Okay, so number 17, that is 4x minus 11 minus 7x minus 20. Okay, so similar type of term you just keep. So here is the 4x, means this same type of term. Here is also 7x, and these two are the same type, 11 and minus 20. So same type of term you can shift either left side or the right side. So here 4x I will keep same side, 7x I will bring to this side, so this side will come, so minus 7x will be there this side if I bring. Okay, now this 11 I will send to the another side, so there is already minus 20 and it will go there, so minus 11 will be plus 11. Understood? Okay, now here we can solve. Here is nothing but plus, so plus minus minus, so 7 minus 4 3, and the larger number is 7, so minus sign will be there. Okay, now here plus minus again minus, so that side 20 minus 11 9, and the larger number is 9, so before that 9. So what you can do, if the there both side is the same sign, minus minus, so you can cancel the minus. There is also minus, here is also minus, so we can cancel the minus. Okay, now it is left. Now 3x equals to 9, so easily we can find the value of x, because 3 is multiplied with the x, so another side it will go, so 3 by 9 by 3, so its value will be 3. So now we get the value of x is 3. Now what you can do, you can put the value in the right hand side and the left hand side, so you can check it by yourself. You can verify left hand side and the right hand side, do it by yourself. Okay, put the value of x in this side and the value of x another side also. Okay, so you can do it. Now question number 19, solve question number 19. So question number 19, 2y plus 3 minus 8 equals to 4y plus 2. So first of all we remove the bracket, so this 2 will multiply to y, here also will multiply to 2, so 2y plus 3 into 2 6 minus 8 equals to 4y plus 2. Now same type of term, here is the y, here is the y, so we will bring to the, first of all we can solve here. So 2y, so here 6 minus 8, so it will be minus 2, so right here 2y, this here will be minus 2, so this side is 4y plus 2. Next 2y, and this 4y I will bring to this side, so minus 4y. Okay, now this minus 2 I will bring to the another side, so there will be 2 plus 2. Okay, now you can see plus 2y and minus 4y, it will be minus 2y, and here will be 4. Okay, now y will equals to 4 divided by 2, and this minus side you can bring another side. Okay, so it will be 2 and there is a minus sign. Okay, so y's value is minus 2, so we got the value of y is minus 2. Now we can check, we can verify, so we will do the verification. Okay, so we will do the verification. So verification, so first of all right hand side, sorry left hand side, so in the left hand side it is 2 under bracket 3 plus minus 8. So what is the value of y we got? Minus 2. So we can write here minus 2 plus 3. Okay, equals here is the minus 8. So first of all inside the bracket minus 2 plus 3, that we can do, we can solve. So 2, so 2 minus 3, that will be 1 minus 8. Okay, now 2 into 1 2 minus 8, so you can solve, so it will be minus 6. Okay, here you can write the sign also. Okay, now for the right hand side we will do, for the right hand side, so in the right hand side what are the value? 4y plus 2. So 4y plus 2, so what is the value of y? Minus 2. So put the value minus 2. 4 into minus 2 plus 2. So 4 into 2, 8, and there is a minus sign, plus 2. So minus 8 plus 2. So minus 8 plus 2. So it will be minus 6, plus minus minus. Okay, so both side is equal. Right hand side equals to left hand side. So our verification is correct. You can check both side is equal. Okay, so LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so both side it is equal. So first we find the value of y, then after we checked it, our solution is correct. Okay. Now one more question. Here is okay, 20 I am going to solve. Okay, 20. So question number 20. 20 is that 3x minus 40 equals to half x plus 35. So first of all, you can write 30x minus 40. Here you can do you can shift the same type of variables or same type of terms. So 3x, this you can bring this minus half this side, minus half x, and 35 and this 40 you can send to the another side. Okay, 40 is there. Now this 3x, you can just take the, you can write 3x by 1 minus, you can write this one 1 into x, so 1x by 2 equals to 35 plus 40. Got it? Now next step you can do, you can take the LCM. So LCM will be 2. Here 1 and 2 LCM, and 2 will multiply to 3. You can take the LCM. LCM will be 2, and by 2 1 you will divide, so 2 times, so 3 will multiply to 2, so 6x. Here it will multiply to 1 time only, so 1x. Okay, here it will be 75. You will add 35 plus 40. Now this 6x minus 1, it will be 5x by 2 equals to 75. This 75 I can write 75 by 1. Okay, now you can do the cross multiplication. So 5 into 1, 5x into 1, so it will be 5x. Here 75 into 2. Got it? So here 5x equals to, here will be 150. Now we can find the value of x, because 75 into 2 is 150. So the value of 150 by 5. So we can get the value of x. So it will be divided how many times? 5 3s are 15, 30. Okay, so what is the value here? X value is the 30. The value of x we got the 30. Now you can put the value in the left hand side, and the right hand side the value of x you can put here. Okay, and you can check, you can do it by yourself. Okay, this is the solution, and the checking, the verification you can do by yourself. See, we got the value of x is 30. Understood? Now likewise the last question we will solve, going to number 22. The solution of the equation 0.2 in under bracket minus 2a. So this question number we will solve here. So first write the question 0.2 2a minus 1 minus 0.5 3a minus 1 equals to 0.4. So first of all, what we will do, first of all we will remove the brackets. So do it. It is number 22. So first of all we will remove the brackets. So this will multiply here, and here it will multiply. So 2 2s are 4, so it will be 0.4a. Okay, this point concept you can understand. So 1 into 2, 0.2, minus this will multiply here, so it will be 50, and point will be here after one digit, so here, and again it will be multiplied to 1, so it will be plus 0.5. Okay, now next it is equals to 0.4. Okay, now we can arrange means we can write this two part with together. So arrange it again. So we can arrange 0.4a minus 1. We are only arranging, we are not shifting, we are arranging only, we are writing together the same type of quantity, we are writing with the together. Okay, equals to 0.4. 4. Now next you can see these two we can subtract, 0.4a minus 1.5a, so you will get 1.1a, okay, minus 1.1a. Here these two you can do also, minus 0.2 plus 0.5, so you will get 0.3, and that side is 0.4 is there. Okay, now you can shift this one, this part you can shift, so minus 1.1a equals to that side will go, so that is 0.4 is there already, so there minus 0.3. Now next step, minus 1.a, you can subtract these two, so you will get 0.1 after subtracting. Now a will equals to 0.1 divided by 1.1 and with the minus sign. Okay, now this two point will cancel, so the next is that a equals to minus, there is a 1 is the 11, so answer is a equals to 1 by 11. Got it? So likewise you can do it. Understood? See the solution again. Okay, its answer will be minus 1 by 11, means option B will be the correct answer. Okay.